from Binbrook Memorial Hall. Remember me? I miss you guys too, and hopefully see you soon. Today I'm going to make a special Play-Doh for you. Remember, you always like to play with Miss Samina's Play-Doh? So we're going to make a special Play-Doh for you so you guys can enjoy and play at home during this COVID time, because we are not allowed to go outside more. So how is that if we can have fun with our Play-Doh? So let's go start with Samina's Play-Doh. So here we go. 2 cup flour, 3/4 cup salt, 2 cup boiling water, and 3 tablespoons for vegetable oil, and some kind of food color. We have some different kind of food color. It's blue and red and green. And look at this, we have some kind of shiny sparkles too, but it's okay. If you don't have to put it. I'm going to make a very simple for you, so mommies can do at home without any problem. So here we go, cup of flour. So I'm going to put this cup here in a pot. 1. I'm going to put all the dry ingredient first. So here we go, and this is 2. And we're going to put it on the side, and now I'm going to add a 3/4 cup of salt. Not full cup, just 3/4. So here we go. So you can see this much, 3/4. I'm going to put here, it's going here, and now this is the most important thing. This is the cream of tartar. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of cream of tartar. So how is that? I'm going to open this one. And I'm going to do 1 and 2 and 3. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Here we go. So look at this. Are you going to counting with me? 1 and 2 and 3. And now this is the boiling water. Why I did the boiled water? Because it worked fast. When I put it in the stove and the boiling water in there, it's gonna cook very fast. So I'm gonna put, so now I have to add in this boiling water, I have to add some food color. What do you think? What is your favorite food color? Should I put green? Should I put red? Or should I put blue? How about, I like blue. Do you like blue? Let's go for blue. So I'm going to put this one for my here. So I'm going to put some drops. It's up to you. Like at least 10 drops. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Well, I'm going to put this water in this one here. So I'm going to put, wow, this color look beautiful. Do you want to see that? Look, and I'm going to mix it, and let's go. We're going to cook it now. We're going to cook it. Let's go, friends. Come to here. Here we go. It has to be cooked on a medium heat. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to cook it like that. And we have to stir like that. Like that. Look at it, it's coming quick. Whoa. I have to cook until it becomes to leave the corner and it's turning in a bowl. So, I told you it's becoming a brown and round and round. It's almost done. I'm gonna turn my stove off. I'm gonna put it here. And this is my secret recipe, which is I'm sharing with you guys. I never share with anyone, but I'm going to share with you today. It's still hot. You don't have to touch it because it's hot. It's so soft, friend. You can feel it's so soft. It's gonna stay in your home at least 6 months if you take care of this one. Whenever you finish playing, put it in a plastic container, or if you like to put, you can put it in a fridge. So it will go long time, at least for the 6 months. That's my Play-Doh for you, friends. Hope you enjoy it and you have lots of fun when you stay home. You can play with your Play-Doh. You can make so many things. You can use your cookie cutter to make shape. You can do some different kind of flower. Whatever you like to make, you can make it. Okay, friends, enjoy it and have a good day. Thank you. Bye.